Right, here we are in the garage that I had to build for myself because I had nowhere to store the MG. So just quick look around. As you can see, it's full of MG rubbish and crap. But I had to have somewhere to put it. So, quick update. Been at this for about the last good 12 months now. Slow progress, really slow progress. Obviously we've all got jobs to do, but it's all been, well, it's had all the old underseal taken off. It's all had it all stripped back. It's been epoxied. As you can see, this is some lovely epoxy, right? And I've re-undersealed it as well with the U-Pol underseal stuff. Give like a little stippled effect. So it's been epoxied, it's been undersealed, and I have now put a lovely base coat on underneath, and yet it's green, not any ordinary kind of green. It's Nissan's Millennium Jade. When Nissan brought it out, they put it on the, I think it was the 2002 GTR, and there was only 300 of these cars in this colour when they brought that colour out. So I saw it, I liked it, I went, you know what, I think that might look okay. So what we're going to do next is I'm just going to paint over these inner wings. Done the inner arches. The engine bay's all been epoxied as well. That's waiting to have one or two bits of mats done on it. It needs a bit of filler putting in there. We can get that sorted out, but the Millennium Jade, I think, is just a little bit good. I think that is really, really nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just, like I say, do these inner wings. I'll do hopefully another video with that, stitch them together and knock it out later on today, hopefully. Alright, we'll see how it goes. Right, so there we go. Done the inner wings. Didn't take too long. Some of you may have noticed that I was using the small gun, minigun, and that's because I used that underneath. I thought I wasn't going to chase the big gun, just so as I could do some more cleaning out. So yeah, the minigun was used so as I could get in all the little tricky areas underneath the car, of which there are many on an MG for those who own them. But yeah, there it goes. I'm really bloody pleased with that. Yep. Very, very, very nice. More to come as I want to actually get on with it. But thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye bye.